Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to upload your delivery video.
From Google Chrome, upper right hand corner, hit the apps button, go to YouTube, upper right hand corner again. You'll be given a little symbol that looks like a plus sign. That's how you upload your video. Standard way of uploading or making any attachments. Pretty much YouTube does the rest. Your default title on your YouTube will be the file name. You are welcome to change that. You are welcome to add a description. None of that is required. You are welcome to add thumbnails if you'd like. None of that's required. What is required is that you hit the no, it's not made for children. Even if your audience is children, I want you to hit no, it is not made for kids. You can add subtitles if you like. That is not required. It's going to check for copyrights. And then it's going to give you your options here: unlisted or private, unlisted, private, or public. Unlisted or public only. Do not hit private. And then it's going to give you your link. Copy that link. Go back to Google Chrome. Go back to your apps. Go to Google Classroom. Find our class. Go to the stream and post that in the stream. It's the easiest way to share your video with your fellow students and future students if you allow me. Thank you. Go to Google Chrome. Go to your apps. Go to Google Drive. Left hand upper left is to file upload, just like uploading or attaching a file like you normally do. Lower right hand side will show you the status of that upload. Once that status is complete, you will see that file in your drive. Right click that file and you'll be given the option to share. You may choose, or go down to restricted, change that to anyone with the link, and then you can choose viewer or commenter. Please do not make it editor. Viewer or commenter is fine. Copy that link and then go back to Google Chrome. Go back to your app square, go down to Google Classroom, pick your classroom, and post that link on the stream. Thank you. This way is a little bit more private, but we can still share it with future students and your fellow students if you allow it. Thank you.